Ciao everyone! Tortellino will be 1 year old at the end of November, and both Julie and I absolutely loved it. We can't believe how quickly time has passed, learned new technologies and shared lovely food. But we want to do something extra special for you this Christmas.
We're kicking off a Christmas mini-series, lots of Italian and English festive treats for you to cook. You can prepare some of them ahead of time.
Talking of which, you already started with the Christmas cake. Julie has baked a beautiful Christmas cake in 2 episodes. The third and last episode will be out just before Christmas, a couple of weeks, but we're going to be making lots of little treats that you can put in your freezer before Christmas.
We'll also be popping to Sicily to visit our family, and we'll be making some special traditional Sicilian goodies, some biscuits and some other treats.
Indeed. And to make it easy, I've already created a Christmas playlist where all of my Christmas recipes will be listed, so you can enjoy them whenever you like. And by the way, if there is anything that you'd like us to try, any special Christmas request, let us know. We will endeavour if we can, of course. And of course, do not forget to subscribe, and looking forward to see you soon. And as always, ciao ciao for now!